In today's video, I'll teach you how to hide linked devices on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch open WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Now tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option link devices that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now I do not have any linked devices, but there is no option for hiding the linked devices directly. What you have to do is simply remove it so that it will no longer be shown in this particular device. So simply tap on the specific device that you would like to remove. After you do that, tap on the option log out. Follow through the prompts in order to confirm the logging out. After you do that, you'll be logged out of that particular linked devices and it will no longer be shown over here. So like this, it will be hidden. So that is how you hide linked devices on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.